A pleasant day to each and everyone. We are the Group 5, and we are proud to present our video. In consonance with the said video, we went along UN Construction, Group Philippines Corporation, at ADB Avenue, Ortigas Center, Pasig City, to personally interview Mr. Eric Jan C. Galang, the present Environment, Health and Safety Manager at ADB Long UN Construction. Long Yuan Construction Group, the former Zhejiang Shangsan Second Group Corporation, was founded in 1980. Made its entry into construction market in Shanghai in 1984. The group's headquarters moved into Shanghai in 1993, and its stocks were issued in April 2004. With a registered capital of 388.8 million and total assets of over 6 billion, the company can independently undertake construction and implementation business such as industrial project, civil project, municipal project, transportation, water conservancy, and various sophisticated projects that require large scale, high quality, and refined adornment. In the basic aim of serving for the society, the group upholds dedication, pragmatism, honesty, advance as its enterprise and pursues the quality policy of first-class management, high-quality products, and fine credible service. It believes in human resources are enterprise's assets. Study is a lifestyle. Novelty is the resource of life. Expanding the market with high quality and developing by good management. The company sticks to human orientation, common enterprise goals, and social responsibility and advocates cooperation with novelty and individuality among employees and beneficiary interaction between the enterprise and each employee. The employer are encouraged to seek work that interests them, colleagues with similar interests, healthy constitution, open-mindedness, and optimistic. The company also provides employees sustainable development, changes, and space for fair competition environment, and coordination in work and family, health, material, and spiritual life. Longyuan Construction Group is one of the best construction company in China, and now they are here in the Philippines to expand their business, starting their first project of a 160-meter high building project in Ortigas Center, namely ADB Avenue Tower. Mr. Eric Jan C. Galang finished his Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineer at Mapua Institute of Technology, Manila. To advance his career, he decided to go abroad, particularly in Saudi Arabia. He continues his quest for knowledge in safety engineer for 3 years at the said place. He was the former safety engineer of EAI Corporation year 2007. He also worked at BF Corporation as Environment, Health and Safety Head year 2011. And now, he holds the head position of Environment, Health and Safety at Longyuan Construction Group Philippines Corporation.
How would you describe your personality as a manager?
Okay, as a manager, no, for me, I know how to control my temper because I believe that during under pressure, especially in our job, so the pressure and the anger affects the decision making of the manager. So basically, I'm calm, I'm relaxed, or in short, I stay cool, especially during under pressure.
What makes you unique as a leader?
Okay, being a leader, we have must set an example, or we must be a good follower for us to become a good leader. So especially in this kind of industry in construction, I am implementing rules and regulations to prevent an incident or accident. So I need to set an example to all my workers for them to follow the rules and regulations.
How do you motivate your staff to produce optimal performance?
Okay, so in motivating my staff, I have two factors that is being considered to maintain uh, the attitude and the motivation of my staff. So first of all, I am recognizing the works that they have done, no, for our company or for our group. Then second, so I'm not taking for granted the criticism. So I need to criticize their job because we all know that we all learn from our mistakes. So that is the two factor that I need the most.
How do you manage your employees for them to follow you?
Okay, for my employees to follow me, so I must set a good relationship with them. Okay, so I set an example. I give recognitions to them. Okay, I give incentives for them. So for them to continue or to keep up the good work.
What are the things that you consider in making decisions?
In making decisions, so that is the hardest part being as a manager. So number one, I need to think of the effects, no, or what will happen when I have decided on something. Then second, I need to give emphasis on the benefits, no, of my decision. So that two factors is the important things in making a decision.
What do you think is your greatest contribution to this company?
Okay, as an environment health and safety manager, so for me, my greatest contribution in this company, since I am hired from this company, so that is the loss prevention. So preventing an accident in a construction industry is very hard. So once I have prevented accident on the entire project, so that is the greatest accomplishment because if accident happen in this construction, it will affect the project. Or the worst scenario is the license of the company will be revoked. So I need to implement and uh, to enforce the rules and regulations.
How do you handle stress and pressure?
In handling stress and pressure, so this is the most common problem of a manager. So we will go back to the items that I have explained before. I need to stay focused, I need to stay calm, so that it will not affect my decision making.
What advice can you give to those aspiring managers?
Now, for all those who wants to be a manager, so one thing is I would like to advise to those aspiring is number one, we need to maintain a good relationship on our subordinates or on our staffs because these staffs or these workers will work for us. So if we don't have a good relationship between us, so I will have a hard time in giving instructions to them because most, especially in construction, most of the workers here did not finish their studies and school, so everyone has a different way of thinking. So in setting a good relationship, so